Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best IKEA makeup vanity is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for anyone looking to elevate their beauty routine, offering a dedicated space to organize cosmetics, skincare, and styling tools while adding a touch of elegance to any bedroom or dressing area. This versatile piece of furniture is designed to blend functionality with aesthetics, ensuring that your makeup application process is not only efficient but also enjoyable, transforming a cluttered corner into a chic and personalized vanity station that reflects your style and keeps your essentials within easy reach. Number 5. GreenForest 39-inch vanity desk with 2 drawers. Elevate your space with its high-gloss white finish. This vanity offers a smooth, modern look that's easy to clean and maintain. Keep your essentials organized with 2 spacious drawers. They provide plenty of room for cosmetics, ensuring a tidy desktop. Built with a robust T-shaped metal frame, it offers exceptional stability. You can rely on its sturdy legs for a wobble-free experience. Features adjustable foot pads for easy movement and floor protection. It adapts to uneven surfaces, ensuring a stable setup anywhere. Assembly is a breeze with included tools and clear instructions. All parts are numbered, and we're here to help if you need support. What we like. This vanity offers a sleek, modern look with ample storage. The extra-wide drawers keep your space tidy, and the sturdy metal frame ensures stability. If you're looking for a functional and stylish desk with plenty of room for your essentials, this is a great choice. What people say. The size and quality of the desk is on point. The top is shiny smooth, the drawers are great open close smoothly and have plenty of room, it has no odor, and it fits perfectly in its designated spot. The final product is beautiful and will give you many years of enjoyment. Number 4. ARTETHYS Small Vanity Desk Set. This compact vanity set is the perfect solution for apartments and small bedrooms. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your living space. Don't let its size fool you. It features 2 large drawers and shelves above, keeping all your essentials organized and accessible. The included stool offers comfortable seating with a flip-top lid, revealing hidden storage for your makeup or accessories. Even though it's a mini dressing table, it offers ample space for your makeup routine. The side panel can be folded and opened to provide additional room when needed. Achieve your perfect look with the adjustable lighted mirror. You can switch between natural, warm, and cold light to match any scene or makeup style. What we like. This compact vanity is perfect for small spaces, featuring a unique foldable side panel for extra room. The adjustable lighted mirror adapts to any lighting condition, and it even comes with a comfortable storage stool. If you have a tiny apartment or bedroom and need a complete makeup station, this is the one for you. What people say. The drawers are spacious and glide smoothly, making it easy to organize makeup and accessories. The built-in LED lighting is bright and adjustable, providing excellent illumination for makeup application. The mirror is large and clear, offering a wide view for detailed makeup application. Number 3. ARTETHYS Small Vanity Desk with Lights. Even in a compact room, this vanity offers ample makeup space thanks to its smart storage cabinet. It's designed to give you plenty of room without taking up too much floor space. Keep all your essentials organized and within reach. With multiple drawers, a cabinet, and a spacious mirror cabinet with a top shelf, everything you need is neatly stored. Tailor the storage to your specific needs. The adjustable shelves can be easily moved up or down, ensuring a perfect fit for all your items. Achieve your desired makeup look with versatile lighting options. Switch between natural, warm, and cool light to match any scene or style. This vanity is the perfect solution for apartments and smaller bedrooms. It combines a compact design with generous storage, making it a stylish and practical addition. What we like. Maximize your storage with this vanity's sliding mirror, cabinet, and adjustable shelves. It offers a large capacity to keep all your beauty products organized. If you need a vanity that fits into a small space but doesn't compromise on storage, this is an excellent option. What people say. The ARTETHYS Small Vanity Desk Set is absolutely perfect for tight spaces. The mirror lighting is bright and adjustable, making it easy to get the right glow for makeup or skincare. The desk itself is sturdy, the drawers hold more than expected, and the whole setup looks so cute and modern. No mirror damage and no missing parts. It's the ideal vanity for anyone who wants something compact but still functional and stylish. Directions were easy to follow. It took an hour or two to assemble. Perfect size and height for my daughter's room. The drawers, shelf and stool are very functional and sturdy. The different lighting settings help when you are applying makeup. Beautiful design. Great gift idea for a kid's room. This is a great vanity. It was easy to put together and is sturdy. It holds most of my makeup and is comfortable to use. It fits perfectly in my room size and is a great addition to my chosen decor. The storage bench is a bonus. The shelf is also a nice bonus. Number 2. Anbuy Grey Modern Makeup Vanity Desk Set. Introducing a beautifully designed dressing table that brings a modern, healing touch to any room. Its unique texture and glossy finish add a fashionable, natural temperament to your home. This vanity offers generous storage space with a reasonable layout to keep your essentials neat and orderly. Its large capacity drawers are perfect for all your beauty products. Enjoy the versatility of this piece, serving as both a makeup vanity and a writing desk. The flexible, retractable sideboard adapts to your needs, making it a perfect fit for any space. Crafted with a thick desktop and sturdy iron black legs, this vanity is built for durability and long-term use. The environmentally friendly spray paint ensures both beauty and health. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This well-designed dressing table is an ideal choice for your girlfriend, wife, or daughter, offering comfort and style. What we like? This vanity desk offers incredible versatility with its dual-use design as both a makeup table and a writing desk. The retractable sideboard adapts to your space needs. If you need a piece of furniture that can serve multiple purposes and adds a modern touch to your room, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Super sturdy, a great quality desk. Drawers open and close very smoothly despite the crookedness. Looks more expensive than it was for sure. Number 1. Westinghouse Sylvestre 5 Light Chandelier. Introducing the Westinghouse Sylvestre Chandelier, a stunning addition to your home. Its elegant design brings both style and illumination. Crafted with a sophisticated brushed nickel finish and complemented by frosted seated glass, it offers a warm and inviting glow. With a height of 18 to 12 inches and a diameter of 20 to 58 inches, this fixture is perfectly sized for most rooms. It also includes a 36-inch chain and 120-inch wire for flexible installation. This chandelier accommodates 5 medium base bulbs, each up to 60 watts maximum, to provide ample lighting for your space. Please note bulbs are not included. Rest assured with our 5-year warranty, protecting against defects in materials and workmanship. It is also CETL listed for your safety and peace of mind. What we like? This elegant chandelier provides ample lighting with its 5 bulbs and a sophisticated brushed nickel finish. The frosted seated glass adds a touch of texture and diffused light. If you're looking to add a stylish and functional lighting fixture to your vanity area or any room, this chandelier is a beautiful and durable option. What people say. Each light takes up to a 60-watt bulb, and if you're worried about it being bright enough, don't, it's very bright. Glass covers look great and are much higher quality, thicker than we were expecting. Installation is very easy and straightforward. 3 wires including ground connection and I was done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.